Hi everyone, I just have a quick project here for you. I just went out to the yard and picked up some weeds and thought of these more like flowers. So I'm just going to lay down some regular green paint and then take out the background with this piece of paper here. And then I decided it needed more color. What was I going to do with it? I don't know. It didn't look like it really turned out to me. So I'm trying to more or less salvage this picture at this point. So I grab a Q-tip and some paints and start dabbing little dots all over it. In my mind, I'm thinking flowers here. And I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but it was fun to do, and I think that this would be a fun project to do with little ones. Just dabbing all over, just to kind of get an abstract flower kind of feel. I'm kind of late on the botanical bandwagon here. I feel like a lot of people are making gel plate botanical prints, and this is actually my second attempt at botanicals on the gel plate. I don't know why. I live on 5 acres. I have lots of trees, lots of flowers, lots of weeds. And I think I would have tried this before, but I didn't. But as you can see, I am just filling in with different shades of pinks and purples and white and mixing it together, kind of dabbing over other dabs to create another shade. And then I think I've overdone it just a little bit here, so I'm going to put in some blue here to simulate some sky and green towards the bottom there to simulate grass and so forth. This print, it turns out okay. It's very abstract. Let me know if you think it looks like it's supposed to, which is flowers. Yes, very abstract. In the very last clip of this video, you will see that I did spruce up the print a little bit after I pulled it, and I think it looks a lot better. Before I let you go, I would love to ask you guys for your feedback on what you would like to see in my videos. I noticed that I don't get any comments anymore and nobody talks to me, so I am wondering who I am making these videos for. So if you're out there, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.